Hi, this is Melanie from Hooked to the Left, and today I'm going to show you some awesome Happy Mail that I got. So, are you ready to see it? Because I'm ready to show it. Let's get started. Hi everybody, thanks so much for watching this video. So today I'm going to show you some awesome Happy Mail that I got. If this is the kind of video that you like to watch, or if you also like tutorials, reviews, anything having to do with crochet or yarn, then go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below, as well as hit that bell so that you're reminded each time I come out with a brand new video. So I have a friend up north. I have a few friends up north, but this particular friend from up north, and by up north I mean Canada. She has this beautiful property in Canada, and I love seeing pictures of her property in her home, gorgeous home. But anyway, I digress. She sent me a wonderful present by way of Aberdeen's Wool Company. Aberdeen's Wool Company, and I'm gonna have that store linked down below so you can go and check them out. But I can't wait to show you what was in the package that she sent me. It was amazing. So I'm gonna give you a little hint. She's trying to get me to learn knitting, and I might, because these knitting needles that she sent me are gorgeous, but I'm gonna save those to the end. They are gorgeous. All right, first things first, let me show you the yarn, right? We all love yarn. So she did send me a bunch of cotton yarn, which cotton's amazing, right? I'm going to show you my favorite colors first. Now this cotton, when I show it to you, it feels like it's a little bit softer than, say, like the kitchen cotton that you would get, like what is it, Lily Sugar and Cream, I think it is, or the Burnett Homemaker. It's a little bit softer than that, but it's not quite as soft as I love this cotton. So there are a few skeins in here, so I'm going to give you the specs on this first one, and then I'm just going to show you the colors and tell you what the color, if the colorway is named, if there's a name on the colorway. I don't even know if there is. Yes, there is. There is. Okay. So this first one, look at how pretty that is. That is so, so gorgeous. I love this. So I'm going to show you that end, and then here we go. There is the other end. Look at how gorgeous that is. Now it does look like this yarn might get a little bit splitty when you start working with it. It's similar to some like the Just Yarn cotton, and this is called Premier Home. So it is a Premier yarn, which the Just Yarn that Dollar Tree sells is also a Premier yarn. So this is Just Premier Home cotton. It is 96 yards or 88 meters, 1.94 ounces or 55 grams. It is 85% cotton and 15% polyester. So I don't know that I would suggest using this with a hot item, but it would definitely make a great wash rag. Like, I wouldn't make pot holders out of this because of the polyester, but this would make an excellent wash rag. Okay, and then go over this way so you can see that part of the label. And this is a 4-weight yarn, and they recommend a 5.5 millimeter hook or a 5 millimeter knitting needle. And it is machine wash, tumble dry low. Yep, machine wash, tumble dry low. And I would not suggest, and it's no iron. Yeah, there's a symbol for no iron. So do not iron this. But this is a Premier Yarns cotton blend. Now this particular colorway is called Lavender Stripe. Isn't that gorgeous? That's so pretty. I love, love, love it. Wait until you get the one. I'm going to show my absolute favorite one last. I know I said that one was my favorite. That's probably my second favorite because of the purples, but I have one that is my absolute favorite, and I'll show that to you last. So this next colorway is called Cornflower Stripe. Cornflower Stripe. Look at all those blues in that. Oh my gosh, isn't that pretty? That is so, so pretty. All those blues in there. But that's cornflower stripe. And then we have a cream stripe. So there it is on one end. You see the gray, or actually it's more of a brown, grayish brown maybe, inside. And then, so you get a little bit more cream and stuff, but you do get that nice dark color, contrasting color in there. So, pretty. Granite stripe, which I'm sure you can guess it's going to be a variation of gray. Here we go. Look at how pretty those are. Oh my goodness, so, so pretty. So, so pretty. And then the next colorway, which this one's gorgeous too. I love this. It reminds me of the ocean. And it's called Turquoise Stripe. And then you got some more deeper blues as you get inside there. So I love these stripe color combinations. Alright, and then the next one is called probably orange stripe, but I'm going to make sure. Oh, I'm sorry. It's Tangerine Splash. This one is called, oh, I guess it's not really stripey, but it's got that beautiful kind of heathered look here. You see. And get it to focus. It's got kind of like that whitewash look, but this is called Tangerine Splash. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, I love the bright orange on this one. So, Tangerine Splash. And then, this is the second to last one, so my favorite one's coming up soon. Alright, so this one, my second to last one, probably my third favorite. I don't know, I really like that Tangerine Splash too. And the teal. Oh. Okay, I can't pick a third. This one's called Pink Stripe. All those colors of pink in there, so pretty. So, so pretty. And that looks like it's even got, now that's kind of more of a purple that's inside there. But, oh my goodness, so pretty. So pretty there, right? Love it, love it. Alright, now are you guys ready for my favorite color? Right now, I like it because it kind of makes me think of Halloween. And it's called Orange Stripe. Look at that. With the orange and the purple in there. What? That is going to make one beautiful washcloth or whatever I choose to make with this. Look at how pretty. But the oranges and the deep yellow and then that purple in the mix. How pretty is that? That is so gorgeous. So that is all the cotton yarns. Now to go with those cotton yarns, I got a set of knitting needles, which I told you about, and they're absolutely beautiful, and I will show those, but I'm going to show those at the end. Okay, so stick around to see those absolutely beautiful. And these knitting needles, I've seen a similar style in crochet hooks at my local yarn shop, and I have been salivating over them. Okay, maybe not. They'd probably kick me out if they saw me drooling, but you know, still, I've been internally salivating. That's what I've been doing, internally salivating over them. I really would love to give them. This is how beautiful these knitting needles are, so I can't wait to show them to you. But first, I've got one more skein of yarn, well, hank of yarn to show you. You guys, this yarn is so soft. It's so soft. Yeah. Alright, so this yarn, I'm gonna give you the specs first because I can't see it. I gotta lift my glasses up. So this is LRA Cozy Alpaca Chunky. It is machine washable. It is a baby alpaca blend. It is 3.52 ounces or 100 grams. It is 120 yards or 110 meters. It is 70% acrylic and 30% alpaca. The suggested knitting gauge / needles are 12 to 15 stitches per 4 inches using a 9 to 11, or which is the US size, or a 5.5 to 8 millimeter needles. And the suggested crochet gauge or hooks are 8 to 11 stitches per 4 inches using a K 10.5 to an M13, those are US sizes, or a 6.5 to 9 millimeter hook. It is it just say that it's made in Peru for knitting fever. It is a size 5 yarn. It is machine washable. It is you can iron it. And then it's got the little symbols. I don't know what all the symbols mean, but I can tell it's machine washable and probably low heat settings, of course. So anyway, this yarn is crazy soft, and I love the colors in these yarns. It's perfect for fall, but look at that. You think I need to make a messy bun hat with this, don't you think? Do you see how pretty is that yarn? What? And you see there's a little bit of a halo. You see a little bit of a halo here. But how beautiful is this yarn? It's so beautiful. So gorgeous. I don't even know how to express how soft this yarn is. It is so. It's my pet yarn. It doesn't break anything like my kitty cats do, and it's just as soft. But I'm thinking, I think I need to get a hat that I can make a hat that I can wear it with my bun. You know? Because this is going to be so warm. I can, put it on my ear. It's going to be so warm. Oh, I can't hear the sea. Nope, can't hear the sea. But I can hear the fuzzy, fuzzy yarn. Alright, anyway, that was goofy. This is so incredibly soft, you guys. I can't even with this. It's so pretty. Alright, now I promised you this beautiful set of knitting needles that was sent to me. So these knitting needles, they're like, I think is how you may pronounce it. It might be likey. Or I don't think it's like. I think it's like or likey. These are wooden needles. Now I did test them, and I haven't always been a fan of wood, but what I'm going to tell you that the thing is with wood is if you spend the money on it, wood is really, really nice, and either a crochet hook or a knitting needle. If you get the cheap ones, like you go to Amazon and you buy yourself some cheap ones, or even the Lion brand cheaper ones that they sell at Walmart, not as nice. The catch and just not as nice. But these are amazing feeling. And I'll take them out of the package to show you. So I was sent 16-inch needles with a cable, and they're 5 millimeter or US size 8. And but look at this. Can you see how gorgeous are these needles? I'm just telling you, these are absolutely beautiful. And the way that they feel, it's driftwood fixed circular needles is what it says on, and they're made in Nepal. This is like Make Happy driftwood wooden needles. I'm going to show you the label here so you can see the brand. So there's the label, so you know a little bit more about it. But I know there's a website up there, but this stuff is all coming from Aberdeen Wool Company, and I will have that link down below. But these are just gorgeous. So I'm going to show these a little bit closer out of the package so you don't get the glare of the package. You guys, look at that. How beautiful are these needles? These are so gorgeous. Just absolutely beautiful. I've tried to knit, and I've cast on, but I don't know, I feel like I have two left hands. But I think with the circular needles and doing a small project with these cotton, like a wash rag or something like that, or even like a mug rug, these are so gorgeous and they feel so amazing that it makes me want to learn. and I really want to use them, and I don't have the time right now, otherwise I would like break it out and do a project, but I have other things that I have got to get done. So and I've been slow in getting my projects done lately just because I've been wanting to take more naps. Y'all understand. Anyway, I am gonna definitely try them out and enjoy these with this cotton yarn that I have. Now this I'm gonna crochet a project with, and I don't know, the more I think about it, the more I think I need to make a messy bun hat with this. And I have a plan for a messy bun. I have the idea in my head. I just need to get it out of my head for this, and then the yarn that Julie sent me. And I will link that video up above showing where Julie sent that. But, you know, what Julie sent me. But I have an idea, and I want to make that out of both this. Oh, it's so soft, you guys. I can't even, it's so soft. Anyway, I can't wait. I can't wait. So, if you got this far, thank you so much for sticking with me. I really, really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed seeing this Happy Meal that I received. I enjoyed getting it. I loved it. It was amazing. Thank you so much to the person that sent it to me, as well as Aberdeen Wool Companies. I thank you guys so much. It's so amazing. And again, Aberdeen is linked down below. If you enjoy this kind of content, along with a lot of other yarny content or crochet content, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button that subscribe button down below, as well as hit the bell. And while you're down there, if you enjoyed this video, or you have ideas for other videos, or you have ideas on what I can make with some of this yarn, then leave me a comment. I would love to hear from you. And again, thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate you all so much. You guys have an amazing day. Bye bye.